Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start geometric sequence, the second sequence. Before this we have already discussed what is arithmetic sequence, and in arithmetic sequence we learned that we can find every next sequence by adding a fixed difference, which is also called common difference, and then we get the next term. Here in geometric sequence we will find the next term by multiplying with a constant number. Let's suppose that if you have a number 2, then how you will get a number, next number 4, then 4 with the next number 8 and 16 and so on. So how you can say that this one is the geometric sequence? We will check that either the multiple is same or not. तो ज्योमेट्रिक सीक्वेंस में हम सीक्वेंस कैसे डेवलप करते हैं या आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, उसमें एक कांस्टेंट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस 2 विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 2, सो यू विल गेट 4. ये 4 मल्टीप्लाई करें 2 से, देन वी विल गेट 8, देन 8 मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 वी विल गेट 16. सो हम देख सकते हैं कि वी हैव अ कॉमन मल्टीपल फॉर एवरी टाइम थ्रू आउट द सीक्वेंस. दिस कॉमन मल्टीपल और कॉमन रेशो रिप्रेजेंट बाय R. So if we have the sequence like this, so this is called geometric sequence. What is the formula for geometric sequence? Here is the formula for geometric sequence. ये geometric sequence का formula है. Tn means nth term is equal to a r s to power n minus 1, where a is what? As usual, a is the first term and r is the common ratio or the factor multiple. Here you can see that 2 in this case. Now how we will find the nth term whenever any of the sequence is given? So let's understand with the help of one of the example. हम इसको एक एग्जाम्पल की मदद से समझते हैं. Here is a sequence given 10, 30, 90, 270. So first of all we will check that is this one a geometric sequence or not. So 10 multiply with 3, you can say 30, 30 multiply 3 90, 90 multiply 3 27. It means yes, it is a geometric sequence. If it is a geometric sequence, then we can apply the geometric formula for finding the sequence. So first of all we will identify what is a and r, because we know that in geometric sequence we have the formula Tn is equal to ar to power n minus 1. So इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, we will identify कि इसमें a क्या है. a is always the first term, so इसमें a हमारे पास है 10. हम mention कर देंगे कि a is equal to 10, the first term. What is r? r is the common ratio by which we are multiplying, so r is equal to 3. So we will write these two things. हम इन दोनों चीज़ों को लिख लेंगे. Now we will substitute this in the formula of geometric sequence. दिस वन ज्योमेट्रिक सीक्वेंस के इस फॉर्मूले में सब्सिट्यूट कर देंगे. सो टी एन इज इक्वल टू, इन प्लेस ऑफ ए वी राइट 10, इन प्लेस ऑफ आर वी राइट 3, एंड एन माइनस 1 एज वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉर द nth टर्म वी विल रिमेन राइट लाइक दिस वन. सो ये आपके पास क्या बन जाएगा, 10 3 पावर n माइनस 1. इस फॉर्म में भी आप लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि सम टाइम स्टूडेंट्स मेक द मिस्टेक कि वो 10 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. नो, यू कैन नॉट मल्टीप्लाई दिस 10 एंड 3 बिकॉज 3 हैविंग द पावर ओवर देयर. सो इस बात का ख्याल रखिएगा, यू कैन नॉट मल्टीप्लाई दिस 10 विद दिस 3. इसीलिए एहतियात के तौर पे हम इसे 3 को ब्रैकेट पे रख लेते हैं. सो यू शुड नो दैट वी कैन नॉट मल्टीप्लाई दिस 10 विद 3 अनलेस वी सॉल्व दिस पावर. इसको हम फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई भी कर सकते हैं. How we can solve further? We can write 10 as it is. 3 power n minus 1 we can break by using the rule of indices. 3 power n multiply 3 power minus 1. And whenever you have this minus 1 sign, so what you will do? You can write 1 upon 3, 10. This one is also multiplying, so you can write multiply sign. And this one is पावर इनवर्स. सो हाउ यू कैन मेक इट पॉजिटिव? बाय टेकिंग द रेसिप्रोकल. जब भी ये -1 में हो इसे 1/3 फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है. ये चीज़ हम रूल ऑफ इंडेसिस के अंदर पढ़ चुके हैं. 3 इज डिवाइडिंग, सो व्हाट इट विल बी 10 टाइम्स 3 raised to power n over 3. So if we talk about the simplified form, here is the simplified form of the nth term of this sequence. ये इसकी nth term की simplified form आ गई. But there will be no issue if you leave the answer here up to your level. It's okay. You can leave your answer here as well. But it's good, you should know that how you can simplify this. So ये आपके पास nth term का formula बन गया. This form, or you can say this form. Now we will use this formula for finding the value, as he was asking in this question. Find the fourth term. हमें fourth term मालूम करनी है. It means we will substitute n is equal to 4 in this formula. In place of n we will write 4. So in place of n you can see we write 4 in this formula. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 power 3 is 27, and 10 times 27 will become 270. It means if we will continue with this sequence, the fourth term will be 270. Like this you can find any of the term. 270 was also present there. See, that was the fourth term. That was 10 first term, 30 second term, 90 third term, and 270 fourth term. So already you can confirm it here. Let's suppose he will ask about 500 term, 1000 term. So you can also find with the help of this formula.